I've been watching you.
I've been here for about
Look,
5 minutes.
Don't
though.
lie to my eyes.
But I've been here 5 minutes.
Don't lie to my eyes.
I'm not lying to you.
You're trying to lie to me. I see you.
I'm not
It
lying
doesn't
to you at
matter. You
all.
look like a rich man anyway with your 500-pound car.
Me?
Don't
I
live
live
here.
here.
If you lived here, you'd have a parking permit.
I don't need
And
a
you can
parking
see there's a sign there, right there. You shouldn't be here.
Mate,
You can see the parking there. You should not be here. Hey, what are you doing, man?
throw it on the floor, mate.
Hey, it doesn't matter. Take it.
Don't throw it on me.
You shouldn't be parked here anyway.
I park where I want, mate.
You don't park here. I'm telling you right now.
I live here, so I can park here.
Look, the sign is there with a P with a cross on it. What does it mean? Look, even if you lived here, you'd know that you're not allowed to park here. If you really, really lived here, you'd know that. But what I can see is in your eyes, you're a liar.
I park here, and I park here.
Why do you keep taking this? If you don't want it, that's fine. It's none of my business. I've done my job. It's already recorded. You're still going to get a letter. But there's a sign clearly saying P cross, and you didn't be back there. Take the ticket and
Don't
go
throw
away.
it at me, mate. It's on the front.
Look, with people like you, I don't ever waste time with people like you because you guys are not serious. You park in places where you cannot afford. You're parked outside a beautiful
That's
place.
my car. That's my car. And this is my house.
What do you mean?
I live here.
You don't, otherwise you wouldn't be in a car. You live in the car, you'd be in the house.
I can literally walk
You
inside.
don't live here. You don't.
Well,
Look,
technically,
either way, listen, you already have a ticket. You're going to pay it, or you get it double.
that ticket's not valid now.
Listen, let me tell you something. This is a song my grandma told me once. She goes, everything a double. That means you're gonna get double ticket if you don't pay today.
And do you know what you need to do, mate?
Mate,
You
can I
need to
go?
iron your shirt. Have you seen the state of it?
Look,
You can't even iron your shirt and it doesn't
what?
even fit.
Look, are you being racist now?
How is you?
Are you being racist now?
How are me asking to?
Is it
iron
because I'm wearing a not iron shirt and it's because of this?
Sorry, what?
I know these tricks, trust me. I came into this country and I've experienced every single thing you may think of. So I know when they
You
say-
haven't experienced
I
an
know,
iron though, have you?
listen, white shirt is a code for something else. I know it, but I'm not going to say it because I'm not going to play that race card. I'm not going to do that. Anyways, pay that ticket. I've got a job to do. Huh? Listen, yeah. So then my grandma, she told me one song. She goes, it was to do about parking. You see that sign there?
No, not really.
But can you see the sign? Can't you see the sign? It's a double yellow line. Hey, I'm sorry, sir. You can't park your car here. Can't you see this sign? You're gonna get a ticket. You're gonna pay so much money.
You are an utter.
You're broke.
Go away,
You're
mate.
gonna die broke.
Go away.
Can't you see this sign? It's a double yellow line.
What is this guy doing?
You can't park your car. Hey, can't you see this sign? It's a double yellow line. I'm sorry, sir. Go back. Yeah.